Good morning. Yeah, I just woke up. It's like 4:30. Actually, not online. It's like 4:45. But I woke up at 4:30. Anyways, I'm about to make home fries. I seasoned them last night, and just let me show you what I used to season them. Yeah, someone called me out in the comments yesterday. They're like, "Yo, your home fries don't even look like they're cooked, and they're not even seasoned." So today I was like, you know what? I'm gonna season them. But anyway, so I'm gonna make home fries in the casty, and I'm gonna use peppers and onions to give it a spice. I haven't cut up the onions yet, but check it out. Throw it in the casty.